Today I'm going to be unboxing this electronic luggage scale. So I have an upcoming trip and I want to make sure that I don't go over the excess limit for my bags. And I just got this. This is super cheap. I think it's less than $4. And well, I thought I should just try it than getting something more expensive. So let's see how accurate it is. So what we'll be measuring today is a carry-on bag, which is the limit is 7 kilograms, and for the check-in bags the limit is 23 kilograms. So this is the device. It's pretty straightforward. There's 2 compartments here for the battery, so you would need 2 AAA batteries, which I already have here. So this thing just slides right in. Okay, so now it's ready. So how you attach it is that you just unlock this lock over there, and the maximum weight is 50 kilograms. And here, so I'm not sure if you can see it very good. So it's 0 right now. So I'm gonna be putting it to the unit. Just 2 grams. It's ounces, kilograms. So let's first measure the carry-on bag, which I am aiming for 7 kilograms. So let's go ahead and get that started. This is my carry-on bag. And attach it. I'm just using my one hand here, so it's a little bit tricky. So I got the lock in, and it's kind of hard to see it here. It's not showing very good, but let's see. So it says 6.88 kilograms. So I'm actually perfectly on spot there. I'm below 7 kilograms. So let's try it again just to make sure it's accurate. I'll put it down. I'm going to put it on tear. So that's back to 0. And let's try one more time, see if it's accurate. 6.62. And then let's try it a third time. 6.62, tear, turn it on, and let's do the last one. Oh, let me try on the other hand. So it's actually 7 kilograms, the last one. It was pretty accurate earlier. I don't know why it's changing a lot this time, but let me try one more time. It's kilogram, okay. My hand's a little bit shaky, so that's why it's probably changing. But it's below 7 kilograms, which is my concern, so that's good. Let's try the check-in bag, which is the limit is 23 kilograms. So just unlatch the buckle, and let's try this one. This is one of my smaller bags, so we're aiming for 23 kilograms here. So I've been carrying this all day, so it's kind of heavy. Let me try the other side. This is hard. I can't do it one hand, but let me carry it, and I'll show it to you once I carried it. To use both hands for that. For this one, it's 14 kilograms, which in pounds is 30.86, so I'm still below the 15 kilogram limit. Oh no, it's not 15, it's 23. So yes, that's way below. But I have bigger bags here. Those are probably the ones that's going to be close to the limit. This one, I tried it twice and it's very accurate. It was like right at 14 kilograms, so this one, we're good on that one. This one, I've weighed it last night. This one should probably be really close to 23 kilograms. So I'm going to try it again, and I need to use both hands to carry this. This is pretty heavy. So I will come back after I weigh it, and I'll show you the measurement. And I'll weigh it like 2 or 3 times. So that one is really heavy. It's 21.96 on the first try. Let's try the second try. So the second one is a little bit shaky, so it's like 21.71. My arms were kind of shaky because it was too heavy. Let me try it a third time. So it's 22.36 is the second one. I couldn't get my arms to settle, so it's a little bit shaky, so I couldn't get an accurate reading, but it is still below 23 pounds, so I'm still happy with that. It's not over the 23, not pounds, I mean kilograms limit. And we got this big boy here, the last one. Oh, and I have this one. This is also 7 kilograms. So let's try this one. Able to do this with one hand. Let's put it on tear. And this is the LL Bean rucksack. Let's see, tear. Oops. Put it at. Okay, ready. My arms are shaky. So this one, it says 7.11. Try it one more time. My arm's a little bit shaky, so it's 672. Let me try one third time. The last one. So my arm's a little bit shaky on this one, so it's not as accurate as I would like it, but I'm still below 7 pounds, so I would recommend this thing. It's pretty accurate. The most accurate one I got is this one. I got 14 pounds. 14 kilograms. Very accurate on 2 measurements and those, but on the other ones, it's a little bit. It varied a little bit because my arms were shaking, but yeah, this is a pretty good deal for how cheap it is, and it's a peace of mind, so you don't have to worry about excess baggage when you get to the airport. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.